Hi, in this video, we're going to go into our RingCentral account and import all our contacts that we have saved in RingCentral. Very simple to do. First thing you want to do is log into the RingCentral account. And once you log into that account, you are going to click on your extensions. Make sure it's My Extensions. Then you're going to click on Contacts. Once you have the contacts, you want to click on the Personal. This has all your contacts saved. You want to then hit the Export button. Little window will pop up. This is going to start the CSV file. Once you start that CSV file, you just want to open that file. Now that's going to open up in Excel or CSV. And once we have that, we could just move this a little bit here. And all your contacts are saved. Save it, and then you now have all your RingCentral contacts saved in CSV. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Have a great day.